Good morning, ABR MarketWatch viewers. Let's kick off this Friday with two key takeaways. The Federal Reserve is set to announce its interest rate decision today, with a quarter-point cut expected, and the Bank of Canada is also anticipated to lower its rates amid trade tensions. As we speak, the overall market mood can be described as cautiously optimistic, balancing anticipation for potential gains with concerns about economic stability. The president's visit to Windsor Castle has taken a backseat today as global markets eagerly await the Fed's decision. The anticipated dovish stance, combined with the president's threats, has driven global shares and gold to record highs, while weakening U.S. Treasuries and the dollar to a four-year low against the euro. Asian markets started subdued but ended up, with Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index surging 1.4%. European and U.S. stock futures indicate positive openings. Key events today include the Fed and Bank of Canada policy meetings, U.S. housing starts for August, British CPI for August, Germany's reopening of long-term government debt auctions, Meta's annual Connect conference, and IPOs of StubHub and WaterBridge infrastructure in New York. U.S. stock index futures show little change ahead of the Federal Reserve's announcement following their two-day meeting. The focus will be on Chair Jerome Powell's speech and the dot plot projections to gauge potential further cuts this year and next. Market participants predict a total reduction of around 68 BPS by year-end. The Fed meeting presents a test for Wall Street's recent rally, with key indexes hitting record highs in the last 6 sessions due to rate cut expectations and AI stock optimism. However, the economy's stability is crucial. A deterioration could make stocks vulnerable due to their high valuations. Elsewhere, New Fortress Energy surges before the bell following an agreement to supply liquefied natural gas to Puerto Rico's government. Workday gains after activist investor Elliott Management reveals a stake worth over $2 billion in the human resources software provider. In conclusion, market movements hinge on the Fed's announcement and its implications for interest rates this year and beyond. The impact of China's action against Nvidia and the influence of activist investors on company stocks also remain significant factors to watch.